Finding coloring book ideas is not hard. Watch, with only 15 minutes, I can find 10 ideas walking along the Hudson River in New York City. No keyword tools, no research rabbit holes, just ideas that are hiding in plain sight. If you've been staring at a blank page, the problem isn't you, you've just been looking in the wrong place. If by the end of this walk, you'll see niches everywhere. With only 15 minutes, so straight away, tons of wildflowers. That's number one. How about traffic? Biking? 2, 3. We're up to 3 already. There's so many different things that you can do with biking. People that bike or cycle are obsessed. What about the New York City skyline? Boats, sailboats, barges. Look at that tugboat. Bet you can do lots of coloring books featured just on tugboats. They're a huge seller. Kids love tugboats. I think I even bought tugboat pajamas before. Running, fitness, coffee. We up to 7 birds. I'm not even counting all of these. These are just extra. Where are we on time? Gotta get moving. Okay, let's see. So we're up to 7. Gotta hustle. What about delivery trucks? Doesn't have to be separate, but maybe that's just an extra one. Okay, rock garden. Not counting that one. So we'll just say 7 still, and we need 3 more, but I want to make them excellent. Again, the wildflowers are just amazing. And there's so many different things you can do. You can do wildflowers, you can do a specific type of flower. People love daisies, roses. Is that milkweed? Butterflies. 10 minutes left. I want to get some really unique and good ones here. You can always do geese, pigeons. Be kind up there. Some sailboats out there. New Jersey. Do a New Jersey alone coloring book. I'm not counting it. Still 7. What else can we find? 9 minutes left. There. Okay, let's crack up. I see something. Carousel, and there's so many different things that you can do with it. You can do different types of carousels. I know that in New York alone, there are a few different types of niche carousels. So this would be a great coloring book. There's like 6 minutes left. I'm getting a little nervous because we only have 8. We need 2 more. And, oh gosh, 5 minutes. Ooh, I have a good one. Oh, this is gonna be good. Here we go. Yes, I love it, I love it. Skate park. This would be a great idea for a niche coloring book. There's also so many things that you can do with skating that there are so many offshoots. You can do graffiti, you can do skateboards, wheels. It's such a personality that I think it would be cool. Okay, 4 minutes left and we have 1 more to go. So let's see what we can do. 3 minutes left. I need one, I need one. I really don't know if I'm gonna make it. Let's see if I can find another one. Oh my God, I got it. I actually got 2. I'm only supposed to do 1, but I got 2. All right, do you wanna see what it is? All the way down there. Ice skating. I think that's awesome. Okay, here's another one. You ready? Ooh, vending machines. Different vending machines from around the world. That would be awesome. Okay, I really want to get an extra one in before time runs out. So ready. Let's see if we can do it. Ah! Can we do 12 or 13? One of my favorite numbers. Let's do it. Okay, you ready for, what are we at, 11, 12, 11. Let's do 11. How about this one? What? Bowling. And for number 12, driving range. Oh, I'm gonna hit, can I hit 13? 13. helicopters. That's it. We're done. That's it. We're done. I said 10, under 15 minutes. I gave you 13. I actually gave you more than 13. Okay, I'm a sweaty mess. Everybody's watching me run around New York City like a mad woman. Promised 10, gave you at least 13, actually more than 13. And I'm looking at other things right now like mint. Ideas are everywhere. We got weeds. I don't know if I'm supposed to be picking these. You can literally come up with ideas all around you. Things sell, and I proved that. So if you're stuck, use AI, use me. Here's what you can do next. You can pick one idea, validate it on Amazon, Google Trends, and use AI to help you come up with the idea. Don't spend hours, weeks researching. The best research is publishing to see what happens. And let me know what niche you really liked. I also have a new KDP starter kit, which includes 5 interiors, 5 covers, over 100 niche ideas. So if you need a little bit of help getting started, the link's in my description down below.